mathematicians, so today we're going to be using the standard algorithm to add. So first I want to go over our learning target. It's going to be, I am going to be able to add numbers using the standard algorithm. For performance of understanding, I will use the standard algorithm and base 10 blocks to add 3 and 4 digit numbers. Success criteria, I can add numbers using the standard algorithm. So here's our anchor chart to add to your notebook. So pause the video here and write down the examples so that way you can get some practice. So here's our addition standard algorithm. So we have a 2-digit number with our ones and our tens place. It is 54 plus 37. Make sure to be taking notes as I go through our steps. So step 1, you add the ones column first. And the ones column are the numbers here on the far right. Regroup and remember nothing larger than 9 can fit in the ones place. Keep the ones and give the extra set of tens to the next place value over. So just like so, we add 4 plus 7. I can't put both digits on the right side, so I'm going to have to regroup. 1 on top, 1 on the bottom. So this is my ones, and this is my tens, which gives me 4 plus 7 is 11. 4 plus 7 is 11, and the 1 in the ones place stays. The other gets added to the next place value. Step 2, add the tens. Don't forget to include anything that was regrouped from the ones. So 5 plus 1 plus 3 is 9. And that is our standard algorithm. Now I'm going to do a couple practice problems with you under the dot cam. I want you to pause the video once you see the numbers, try to solve them, and then resume the video to see the answers. So here I have 2 standard algorithm problems. One is only using the ones, and one has ones and tens. So 8 plus 7. And then I have 59 plus 42. When I have more than one digit, you can't forget to draw your lines to make sure your place values stay on each side. Pause the video, give these a try, and then I will share my answer with you. So for my first answer, since they only have ones, I only have to add straight up and down. So 8 plus 7 is 15. Now let's move on to the tens place, or the double digits. So 9 plus 2 is 11. Like we saw in our example, I can't put both digits here in the ones place, so I'm going to put 1 up here, 1 down here, and 1 up here. Then when I add down, I'm going to make sure to include my 1 that I regrouped. So 5 plus 1 plus 4. And my answer is 101. Hopefully you did good on those practices. Now make sure to go check Schoology and practice some more.